Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem Trees are the kindest things I know. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Warming up chit chat. First question. When do you receive gifts? Answer. I receive gifts on my birthday and also when I do something best. Second question. Do you like to give gifts? Answer. Yes, I like to give gifts. Third question. From whom do you get gifts? Answer. I get gifts from my parents, relatives and friends. Fourth question. What is the best gift that you have ever received? Answer. The best gift that I have ever received is the bicycle. Father gifted me a bicycle when I passed the 7th standard with 95% marks. Fifth question. Why it is special for you? Answer. It is special gift for me because I prove myself achieving 95% marks in the exam. Next question. What gifts do trees give to mankind? Answer. The trees give to mankind many gifts like fruits, flowers, wood, shade, and most important thing, oxygen. Next question. Name two parts of a tree that begin with B. Branches, bud, bark. F. Fruit, flowers. T. Trunk, twig. B. In most countries in the northern hemisphere, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Try to guess what is the season in the month given below. First, March, April, May, spring. Second, June, July, August, summer. Third, September, October, November, autumn. Fourth, December, January, February, winter. Third question. An artist paints pictures using colors. A poet or writer can also paint pictures in your mind or imagination by using descriptive phrases. For example, blue sky, soft white clouds, floating clouds, etc. Write down 4 such phrases which describe anything beautiful in nature. Answer. Tall mountains, starry night, morning sun, dense forest, still river water, isolated land. Margin questions. First, how do trees serve birds and animals? Answer. Trees provide shade to animals and shelter to birds to build their nest on the branches. Second question. What do trees offer human beings? Answer. Trees offer fruits, wood and leaves to human beings. Third question. Which part of the trees glow first at sunrise? Answer. Leaves glow first at sunrise. Question number 4. What do trees do for small kids? Answer. Trees create the sound of a lullaby for the small kids. English workshop. First question. Pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words. A. Fun, begun, sun. B. No, glow, ago. C. Now, cow, bow. D. Sight, light, night. E. Fly, sky, lullaby. Second question. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. Example, and in the spring new birds of green. First, and spread a shade for sleepy cows. Second, and gather birds among their boughs. Third, and leaves to burn on Halloween. Fourth, and when a moon floats on the sky. Question number 3. The poet refers to the tree as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. Answer. First, trees do not harm, they simply grow. Second, trees give us fruit in leaves above. Third, trees spread a shade for sleepy cows. Fourth, trees hum a drowsy lullaby for a child. Fifth, trees shed leaves to burn on Halloween. Fourth question, find words that describe the following. Answer, sleepy cows, spring new birds, morning sun, drowsy lullaby, kindest trees. Fifth question, pick out lines that means the following. First, trees provide shelter for animals and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. Second, trees provide food for all. They give us fruit in leaves above. Third, trees are most lovable. Trees are the kindest things I know. Fourth, kids love to listen to songs from trees. They hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Fifth, trees live a simple life. They do not harm, they simply grow. Sixth question, think and write in your own words. First question, what living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Answer, wild animals, pitcher plant, snakes, humans, and shark. These living things can cause harm to one another. Second question, why are trees called harmless? Answer, trees are called harmless because they are kind to all. They do not attack. They do not demand anything in return. Third question, Halloween is a festival celebrated in many Western countries on 31st October. What is the reason there? Why do you think is there a need to burn leaves on Halloween? Answer, Halloween is a festival celebrated in Western countries in autumn season. I think on Halloween temperature drops down, so to get warm, people need to burn leaves. Fourth question, they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Which part of the day is referred to in the above lines? Which part of the tree hold the last light of the day? Answer, twilight is referred to in the above lines. Leaves hold the last light of the day. Eighth question, write an imaginary conversation between you and your neighbor, trying to stop him from having it cut down. Myself, good morning sir, I am very disturbed and upset to see you having this good old banyan tree chopped down. Neighbor, we need more space to build another construction, so we cut it down. Myself, if we cut trees, where will all birds move to? Neighbor, they will find another place. Myself, another place? Then that tree will be more crowded, and if that tree was also cut down, then where will they move on? Neighbor, sorry, I realize my mistake. I know importance of trees. From now, I won't cut down trees. Myself, how nice of you. Language study. First question, fill in the blanks in the table of degree of comparison. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. Kind, kinder, kindest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Near, nearer, nearest. Fine, finer, finest. Early, earlier, earliest. Small, smaller, smallest. High, higher, highest. Second question. Give the comparative and superlative forms of first, ancient, more ancient, most ancient. Second, special, most special, most special. Third, significant, more significant, most significant. Advanced, more advanced, most advanced. Accurate, more accurate, most accurate. Third, examples of personification from the poem. Answer: drowsy lullaby, kindest things, sleepy cows.